Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So let us continue for the next example. Solve the following differential equation by using method of variation parameter. So it's already mentioned in the question. You have to solve by using VOP. So if you solve by using MUC and even your answer was correct, that one you will get 0 mark. So we already know that solution for non-homo is equal y equal to yh plus yp. So we will start our solution by solve for yh. So in order to solve for the yh, we need to solve the left hand side, which is we will solve for the homogeneous equation. Y double prime minus 3y prime minus 10y equal to 0. So we will substitute y double prime become m square minus 3m minus 10 equal to 0. So from the characteristic equation, we will find what is the value of m, which is you have to find what is your roots. So m1 is equal to 5 and m2 is equal to negative 2. So this one is different roots. So how to write our solution based on the different roots? So therefore yh is equal to a exponent 5x plus b exponent negative 2x. Okay, so this is the solution for the homogeneous equation, which is solution for the yh. Okay, so now step number 2, solve for yp. So we need to solve the yp by using VOP. So solution for the yp by using VOP is yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2, which is we already learned before this. You need to declare 4 things, which is u, y1, v and the y2. Formula to calculate u, which is u is equal to integrate negative y2 fx divided by a multiply w dx, whereby formula for the v is equal to integrate y1 fx aw dx. Okay, so there are two formula, which is formula for the u and formula for the v. So in order to calculate u, you need to integrate negative y2 and you have fx, a and the w. So y2 and y1 we can get from the yh. So we determine y1 and y2 from yh. So this is our yh. y1 is anything beside a, so we just close the a. So this is our y1. So y1 is equal to exponent 5x. y2 is anything beside b, so we just close our b here. This is our y2, which is y2 is equal to exponent negative 2x. From y1 and y2, find y1 prime and y2 prime. So y1 is equal to exponent 5x. y1 prime will become 5 exponent 5x. y2 is equal to exponent negative 2x. y2 prime will become negative 2 exponent negative 2x. Okay, so why we need to differentiate y1 and y2? Because we want to find the value of w. Substitute y1 prime, y2 and y2 prime into formula w equal to y1 prime. y2, y2 prime. So therefore, y1 here will become exponent 5x. Exponent 5x, y1 prime will become 5 exponent 5x. y2 will become exponent negative 2x. y2 prime will become negative 2 exponent negative 2x. Negative 2 exponent negative 2x. Okay, now you have to determine the value of w by calculate the determinant. So cross multiply. Exponent 5x multiply negative 2 exponent negative 2x. Minus here because the formula for the w is minus. Exponent negative 2x multiply 5 exponent 5x. So always remember that the value for the w is only one term. So this one you have exponent 5x with the exponent negative 2x. Will become negative 2 exponent 3x minus 5 exponent negative 2x exponent 5x. Negative 2 plus 5 will become 3x exponent 3x. Okay, so this one you have the same power of the exponent, so we can simplify the number. Negative 2 minus 5 will become negative 7 exponent 3x. So this is the value for our w. Okay, after we have obtained the value for the w, now we can calculate u and v. But before you can calculate the u and v, refer back to the formula. Okay, in order to calculate u and v, you have here y2, you have fx, you have a, and you have w. There are 4 things in order you want to calculate the u. So we already know what is the value for the y2 and what is the value for the w. Now you have to declare what is the fx and what is the a. So how to get the a and fx? So this one you have to refer back to your original question. Okay, based on our original question here, you have to determine what is the a, what is the fx. So this one you have to refer back to your original question in order to get a and fx. So a is anything beside the y double prime. So a is equal to 1. fx is anything on your right hand side. So this is our fx equal to 7x exponent 5x. Okay, so now I will write back every information that we need in order to calculate u and v. So you must have y1, which is exponent 5x. You must have the y2, exponent negative 2x. You must have w, negative 7 exponent 3x. Your a equal to 1. fx is equal to 7x exponent 5x. Okay, so now calculate u is equal to integrate negative y2 fx divide with aw dx. So u is equal to integrate, substitute your y2 which is equal to exponent negative 2. Exponent negative 2x, and the formula of u you have negative here, so we will write negative at the front. Multiply with the fx, so substitute 7x exponent 5x. Multiply 7x exponent 5x. Divide with a. So a is equal to 1. Multiply with w. So w is equal to negative 7 exponent 3x. Negative 7 exponent 3x dx. Okay, so you have to simplify before integrate. So what is the things that you have to simplify? So if you have any constant, then you have to bring the constant to the front. Okay, so check the constant first. You have negative, you have 7, you have negative 7. So means that we can cancel out every term here. Okay, so you can cancel out the negative and negative, and you can cancel out the 7. So write back the terms that you have. Exponent negative 2x, x exponent 5x, divide with 1 multiply with the exponent 3x will become exponent 3x dx. So now you have to simplify the exponent. So you have exponent at the upper side, which is exponent negative 2x multiply exponent 5x. So negative 2 plus with 5 will become exponent 3x, and you have x here, so we will put x at the front here. Okay, so x exponent 3x divide with exponent 3x dx. Okay, so can we simplify more? Yes, right, because we have exponent 3x with the exponent 3x at the bottom side, which is same power, means that we can cancel out the exponent. So it's equal to cancel out the exponent. So means that you are integrate x dx. Integrate x will become x the power of 2 divided by 2. So this one without plus c. So this is the value for u. Okay, after you have obtained the value for u, so now we can calculate v is equal to integrate y1 fx divide with aw dx. So v is equal to, substitute your y1, which is exponent 5x. So integrate exponent 5x multiply with fx. So substitute 7x exponent 5x. 7x exponent 5x divide with a, which is a is equal to 1. Multiply, substitute your w, which is negative 7 exponent 3x. Negative 7 exponent 3x dx. Okay, now you have to simplify before integrate. So simplify the number first. If you have any constant, then bring to the front. So you have 7 with the negative 7. So we can cancel out the 7, and the negative will bring to the front. So it's equal, cancel out the 7, negative to the front, exponent 5x, x exponent 5x divide with exponent 3x dx. So 1 multiply with the exponent 3x will become exponent 3x. Okay, so now simplify the exponent at the upper side. Exponent 5x multiply exponent 5x, 5x plus 5x will become 10x. So equal to negative exponent 10x, and you have x here, this x will bring to the front. So x divide with exponent 3x dx. So you still have exponent at the upper side with the exponent at the bottom side. If we have same power, then we can cancel out. But for this one, this power is not the same thing. So means that exponent 3x you have to bring to the upper side. So exponent 3x bring to the upper side will become exponent negative 3x. So negative x exponent 10x multiply exponent negative 3x dx. So exponent 10x exponent negative 3x, 10x minus 3x will become 7x. Negative x exponent 7x dx. So now how to integrate if you have x multiply with the exponent? So you have to integrate by using tabular method. So how to integrate by using tabular method? You have to declare your u, which is u is equal to negative x, and dv is equal to exponent 7x. So by using tabular method, you must have u, you must have the dv. U is equal to negative x, dv is exponent 7x. So what should we do with this u? We need to differentiate until you get 0. dv you have to integrate until same level of 0. So differentiate negative x will become negative 1. Differentiate negative 1 will become 0. Then we stop. Why we stop? Because you have to differentiate until you get 0. So now proceed with the dv. Exponent 7x integrate for the first time will become exponent 7x over 7. Integrate exponent 7x over 7 for one more time will become exponent 7x divided with 49. So now you have to cross multiply in order to get the answer for the tabular method. So negative x multiply with the second layer with the positive sign, the second layer with the third layer with the negative sign. So therefore v is equal to negative x multiply exponent 7x over 7 with the positive sign. So negative with the positive will become negative x exponent 7x over 7. Negative 1 multiply exponent 7x over 49 with the negative sign. So negative with the negative will become positive. So positive exponent 7x over 49. So the same thing, this one without plus c. So now you have obtained the value for u and v. So we can write the solution of yp is equal to uy1 plus vy2. So substitute back our u multiply with y1 plus v multiply with y2. So this is the value for u. So yp is equal to x squared over 2 multiply with y1. So check back what is our y1, which is exponent 5x multiply exponent 5x plus with v, which is this is our v, substitute to the position of v, negative x exponent 7x over 7 plus exponent 7x over 49, make it in bracket, multiply with y2. So refer back what is our y2, which is exponent negative 2x, exponent negative 2x. So now we have to simplify all the exponential term. So x square multiply with the exponent, there is nothing that we can simplify more. So this one will become x square exponent 5x over 2 plus x exponent 7x multiply exponent negative 2x. So this one will become exponent 5x. So plus minus here, so this one will become minus. Minus x exponent 5x over 7 exponent 7x multiply exponent negative 2x plus exponent 5x over 49. Okay, so there's no more term that you can simplify more. So this is the solution for our YP. So now you have to write the general solution for non-homo, which is y equal to YH plus YP. So you have to combine back our YH plus with our YP. So therefore y is equal to a exponent 5x plus b exponent negative 2x. So this is our YH. Okay, so plus back with our YP. So this is the whole thing for our YP. Plus x square exponent 5x over 2 minus x exponent 5x over 7 plus exponent 5x over 49. So this is the general solution for the non-homogeneous equation by using VOP.